Östersunds Fotbollsklubb, commonly known simply as Östersunds FK, Östersunder FK, is a Swedish professional football club located in Östersund, Sweden and since 2016 play in the Swedish first tier, Allsvenskan. The club was formed in 1996 as a merger of several Östersund clubs. The club is affiliated with the Jämtland Härjedalens Fotbollförbund and play their home games at Jämtkraft Arena. The club colors, reflected in their crest and kit, are red and black, predominantly in stripes, and with red shorts and socks. Since its creation, the club has played mostly in the third tier of Swedish football, but in 2013 Östersund achieved promotion to the second tier, Superettan, for the first time ever, after achieving 2 consecutive promotions, and since 2016 they have played in the Swedish first tier, Allsvenskan, before being relegated to Superettan in 2021. The name Östersunds is in a possessive clause in the Swedish language, which means it is incorrect to call the club anything other than Östersund in a short form based on the town name. Östersunds FK was created in 1996 when the 3 local clubs OPIF, IFK Östersund and Östersund Torvalla French Francs merged, aiming to create a club that would be able to establish itself in the top 2 tiers of Swedish football. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.